Hey friends, welcome back to our channel Stock Dr. RR. In this channel, we do pure technical analysis of US as well as Indian stock market. Today we are going to talk about the important levels of Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500. We are going to see daily, weekly and monthly chart of all these three indexes. So friends, before we start our analysis, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of all future videos which I am going to make on this channel. So friends, first of all, sorry I was not available for last 1 month. So this video we are creating after 1 month. You can see 1 month before we have created the video on 28th of November, and after that I am creating this video today, so sincerely apologies for that. So let's go ahead into the trading view and see the charts of all these three indexes. So first chart is Nasdaq 100. uh, I have done the analysis on all three time frames. So first of all, let's hide all the drawings and see with the simple, you can say simple candlesticks. We will try to see what it is showing. So this is daily time frame, daily chart. You can see here continuously it is trying to create here bullish engulfing patterns. You can see here this is a first bullish engulfing pattern, and this is kind of second bullish engulfing pattern. This is not exactly bullish engulfing pattern, the second one, but the first one is a perfect bullish engulfing pattern. So in both this case, you can see Nasdaq is trying to create big green candles. Okay, if we see the weekly chart without any trend lines, okay, you can see here it is clearly showing you that the buying is coming from the lower levels, the first one, the second one here, and this week it has created the doji on the weekly chart. See, this is the very good combination. The first last week was a hammer pattern, and this week it created a doji pattern. So you can see here the hammer pattern here and the doji pattern here. Okay, so this was a weekly chart. If you see the monthly chart, so the monthly chart is, there is no use of monthly chart now because we have just started the month, right? The last candle was closed on this date, 6th 6th of January. So this in the nutshell, the weekly chart showing some important turnaround. And now we will move to the day chart, and from the day chart we will unhide our drawings and we will see what we found in our drawings. Okay, so let me adjust the drawing first so that we will talk in much more detail. Okay, all right. So this is a day chart. Okay, let me convert into the 4-hour time frame for more clarity. So now we are in the 4-hour time frame. Picture is very clear here. You can see here the Nasdaq 100, right? This is a future contract of current month. You can see here 10,700 to 10,750 is a support area. Okay, and you can see here 11,000. I continuously mention on the Discord channel that once we start sustaining above 11,000, then there is a breakout, and which I can see here. Nasdaq 100 consolidated here, okay, for few days, and then it gave a breakout above 11,000. You can see here, and now what it is showing, it is showing that we have given a Nasdaq 100 has given a breakout above 11,000, and if it sustains above this 11,000, then the first target is 11,350, and second target is coming around 11,500, exactly as I marked here. Okay, these green arrows. So these are the two targets for Nasdaq 100. Now, when there is a downside, I am not seeing a downside unless and until it starts closing below 10,750. So downside targets are, if it starts closing below 10,750, the first target is 10,300 and second target is 9,750. But looking at current price action, it says me that market wants to go upside. Okay. If we see the hourly chart also shows the clear direction. You can see here a lot of consolidation happened here, and after this consolidation, this is a breakout. Only the criteria is we need to sustain above 11,000. That is the criteria. Okay. So next, let's talk about uh, this is S&P 500 futures. First, we will see the weekly chart here. Okay, and we will hide the drawing first to understand what the price action is saying. See, looking at these candles without any indicators or without any trend lines, horizontal lines, we are trying to understand the price action. The price action here is saying the same thing. Okay, these are the spinning tops pattern. First is this weekly chart, right? 2 weeks back it created doji, means there is no decision where the market wants to go. Then this is a spinning top, and now last week it has created the hammer. Correct. These three patterns shows that market has consolidated nicely and market has to wants to go up. Okay. Monthly chart, there is no point now looking at monthly chart. Day chart, you can see here after this consolidation, this was the consolidation. After this consolidation, okay, you can see this was a consolidation. On this consolidation, it has given a breakout, right? But it needs a strong upside, right? The breakout has given, but not with a strong upside. So we need to watch. And now we convert it into the 4 hourly chart here. Here you clearly see that on the 4 hourly chart also, it has given a breakout. You can see like this. Okay, it has given a breakout and now it wants to go up from here. So let's see what actual drawing says. The actual drawing says the exactly same thing, right? We need to look for, if we stay above 3,900, okay, for S&P 500, the first target is 4,000, second target is 4,070. These are the two major targets which I am looking for the S&P 500. And if we talk about downside I am expecting once it starts trading below 3,900 and sustain below that, then the first target is 3,800 and second target is coming as 3,750. This means that it has not sustainable resistance of 3,900. It came back and then it will test the lower channel, right? That is 3,800. If it breaks that, then 3,750, and then other lower targets will come from there. But we will talk about upside because our weekly closing says that market has a lot of potential to go up. Now we will talk about Dow Jones. Okay, we will see the weekly chart first. We will first hide the drawing, try to understand the price action on the weekly chart. For the Dow Jones, the weekly chart is already in the upside. Okay, it is not same like Nasdaq and S&P 500. So currently on the weekly chart, it is not showing anything. But if we see the day chart, definitely on the day chart, you can see after a lot of consolidation of these many days, it has given a solid breakout, right? Let's see the chart. Let's see the drawings which we did. It says the same thing, but first important point you see here, Dow Jones was in the downtrend for the longer term, right? From this top, you can see the resistance here, the third resistance here, fourth resistance here. It gave a breakout, right? After that, and after the breakout, it went upside and again gave a consolidation, right? And after the consolidation, it has given again a breakout. So Dow Jones chart is so strong right now. Okay. So what are the target for the Dow Jones? The Dow Jones, I have the targets here. The targets are, if Dow Jones stays above 33650, okay, 33650, then the first target is 34250. Second target is 34550. These are the two targets which I am looking in the Dow Jones. And where is the downside? If it don't sustain about 33650 and start going down, then it can hit the support of 32900. If it breaks below that support, then you will see the sharp fall up to 32500 and 31730, right? So if I want to do a short selling, definitely I will look for the level of 32900. If it breaks and sustain below that, then I am going to see 32500 and 31730. So first 300 point, first 400 points I will capture here once it starts trading below 32900, and then these points, right? So this was the downside target, but upside target, as I mentioned, I am looking for the upside in the market at this point of time. See, my friends, with this, we really need to understand the economic calendar also, right? We have a big news which is coming on Thursday. We have, inflation data, right? The previous inflation data was, inflation rate year on year was 7.1, and core inflation rate was 6%, right? Now the forecast is coming as 6.70, 6.7 and 5.8. So how actual will be coming, that we need to see. If we get any good news about the inflation, definitely market is going to shoot up like anything. So we really need to understand, till Wednesday market will be in the one trend, but on Thursday, after this, you know data comes, market is going to give a new direction. So I hope, friends, you understood today's analysis. I tried to cover all these technical points on these charts. I hope you learned something out of it. Make sure you will like this video in case you learned anything. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification of all future videos. And last but not least, let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends. Bye bye. You have a good one.